If you're experiencing frame stuttering on your Xbox Series X, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate stuttering during gameplay. Step 1. Check for system updates. Ensure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, select System, then Updates, then check for any available updates. Download and install them if necessary. Step 2. Adjust video output settings. Navigate to Settings, then General, and select TV and Display options. Here, adjust the resolution and refresh rate to match your TV's capabilities. Setting it to 120 Hz can help reduce stuttering. Step 3. Enable variable refresh rate. If your TV supports it, enable variable refresh rate VRR. Go to Settings, then General, and select TV and Display options. Under the Video Mode section, check the box for Allow Variable Refresh Rate. Step 4. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help improve performance. Turn off your Xbox Series X, unplug it from the power source for a few minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. This can help reset any temporary issues. Step 5. Optimize game settings. Some games have specific settings that can affect performance. Access the in-game settings menu and lower graphic settings such as shadow quality or texture resolution. This can help reduce stuttering during gameplay. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stability on your Xbox Series X and enjoy smoother gaming experiences.